to the night. It's changing my mind. It's a beautiful
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 of the Pack With Me for Study Abroad in Toronto in Canada. So I just uploaded actually the last video, my big suitcase packing video. So we are going through everything I packed for 3.5 months of study abroad in Canada, and for today's video I want to share with you what I'm bringing in my carry-on suitcase that I'm taking on the plane. What is this voice? Wow. By the way, if you haven't, so subscribe to this channel if you do not want to miss out on my Canada study abroad videos, because I already know they will be freaking epic, not gonna lie. So let's get started with the video. Okay, lovely. I put everything around me, so let's get packing. So what I was thinking, because with my airline, flying with Condor, which is a German airline, what I will do, because I'm not allowed to bring a suitcase and a little like backpack or something, so what I'm actually doing is I will put everything that I don't need on the plane in this apartment that I can shut off. And then I'm putting everything that I need in my, like on the plane, in this little bag that I will put in here. So right before I enter the plane, I will just put that out of the suitcase, right? And just take that with me to my seat, because I was just thinking that it's probably quite a hassle to always open my suitcase, right? Because if it's busy in the plane, it's just not cool. So that's what I am going to do, right? The first thing is obviously my laptop. Let's put this, let's just put that like this. Cool. Then, also, I can obviously not pack this right now, but it's my camera, which I'm filming on right now. Definitely bringing my little fanny pack, and I was just thinking I could probably put like my phone and my passport in here. I have my little beauty case right here with my stuff, which, by the way, my mom still needs to buy a Ziploc bag for me, so I will put all of my liquids in there. But what I'm bringing are 3 of those deodorant, like wet little towels. Those are lifesavers. Let me tell you, you need to get some of those, because, you know, when you sit around all day, you sweat because you're excited and you start smelling, and you just obviously don't want that. Then I have some tissues. I have some toothpaste, deodorant, hand sanitizer, some cream, and also because I thought I was being, you know, I bought this hydro, sheet mask, and I will put that on in the plane and be super, Instagrammable, right? Not. Plugs for your ears, because I want to sleep, and if people are loud, that will be annoying. And then also some painkillers, just in case anything happens. I'm just, you know, being prepared. And also my hairbrush, which I don't know if I will need it, but I will just, in case, put it in here. Then, of course, my vlogging camera, which I still need, so I cannot pack that, but just, you know, showing to you guys, I would put that in here as well. Then an umbrella. I don't need that on the plane, obviously, so I will just put that here. Then my tarot cards, which I will probably put in my suitcase, because I don't think I will do tarot, but I don't know, I just put that here, that they're with me. Then I have a sleeping mask and my socks, because on planes it's sometimes so cold, so always bring some fuzzy socks, and obviously a sleeping mask for sleeping, guess what? Then bringing a scarf so that I can cozy up. A phone charger, like an external charger. This is super important. And I'm also bringing some headphones. And I'm just thinking I should probably put this like in an extra bag. I could just put that in my fanny pack actually, so it's kind of separated. So as you can tell, I always love to put my stuff into a lot of separate bags, so I just, you know, keep more organized, and it's just better. Then I have my Kindle. I just downloaded Light is the New Black, which is like a spiritual book, so I'm really excited to read that on the plane. I am also obviously going to watch some movies there and have my laptop with me, so I will edit videos, so I hopefully should not get bored. This is like my pouch where I keep all of my important documents, my passport and stuff, and it's so important that you put all of that into a pouch so it never, ever, ever, ever gets lost, okay? And always have this pouch with you. So I'm also putting that in here. Although I might need that earlier as well at the check-in, so I'm not sure. I might put that out of the suitcase, but nothing final yet, okay? Nothing final yet. So those are all of my important documents. They literally have everything in here. Copies of my passport and all of my important cards and what else? Like my lease, my learning agreement and stuff, right? So my acceptance letter that I'm actually allowed to enter Canada. I have all of those copies in here, and in my passport thingy I have the documents that I need when I'm going into Canada. My journaling stuff, which I obviously also need. This bag, I will also use that for grocery shopping. So as you can tell, everything I have has a deeper reason, a deeper meaning to it, okay? Taking some cash with me. I actually just grabbed my external drive, so I will put it with my laptop into the case, because obviously external drive, it's so important that you protect it so it doesn't break, because let me tell you, with all the traveling, I've had 2 external drives breaking on me, which sucks a lot. I don't think it closes. So I have my little suitcase, obviously taking my little neck pillow, which is just perfect for the plane, and I can easily put that on here. And I'm also bringing another pillow, which I'll probably put in my suitcase though. So that is all I'm packing in here. Okay, so just a little update. I ended up removing my tarot cards and my journaling stuff, and I put it into my big suitcase, and I added 1 more pair of socks, 1 more pair of panties, and a t-shirt. And yeah, that's everything that's now in my little suitcase. I think it should be around 6 kilos, but I don't really think that they will weigh the suitcase, so I'm just fingers crossed. So that is everything that I put into my hand luggage for a long haul flight to Canada. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, then let me know in the comments, give it a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't so already, because I love creating study abroad content, travel content, all of that good stuff, like tips, tricks, hacks. It's just all really, really fun. So I would love to welcome you to my family. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!